Yun. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Sound check. Sound check. 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 Test mic 1, 2, 3, 4. Malakas siya tayong audio. Okay, good evening to all. Dati ako gabi, medyo masakit ang ulo ko eh. So, masakit ang ulo natin at na-late tayo ngayon. Sana makahabol si Sir John ba yan? Sige po, Sir Plumber for exam. Part 3 naming codes. 276 to 300. Ito yung mga topic niya. Involved dito, water supply system. Merong valve, merong water closet, copper pipes, and cast iron pipe. So, yun. Natakal ko na yung valve dun sa may part 2 and 4. Gate valve. Kung malalaman natin yan dito. Para hindi na tayo magtagal. Pero bago tayo start, yan. Encourage you to subscribe to. So, marami kayong malalaman dyan. Surprise na. Then, sige po. Katulay na tayo. 276. It's the type of gate valve. Tingnan po. It's type of gate valve. Meron pa lang type ng gate valve. That is used where the stems must be installed, pointing downward. Answer is wedge shape. It's the type of gate valve that is used where the stems must be installed, pointing downward. Answer is wedge shape. Kung narinig yung monitor ko, hopefully tuloy-tuloy siya. 277. The type of gate valve that closes in the same manner of the wedge type, except that its parallel faces drop in vertical position and are forced apart by the disc spreader. This type of valve is, the answer is double disc valve. So kanina wedge type na wedge disc and wedge shape. Ito naman, type of gate valve that closes in the same manner of wedge type, except that it is parallel faces drop in a vertical position and are forced apart by the disc spreader. This type of valve is used in cold liquid and sewage disposal installation. The answer is double disc valve. So, dito, meron na tayong tip. Type siya ng gate valve, so valve siya. Ayan. Then, this type of valve is makikita nyo dito, vertical position are forced apart by the disc spreader. This type of valve is in cold liquid. So, kaya ito ginagawa para lang ma-familiarize tayo kasi marami type ng valve, marami. So, masimplify yung pagsagot natin. Double disc valve siya. Valve, then may disc dito. Double disc valve. Yan na yun. 278. It's the type of globe bulb that has a wide bearing surface, producing good resistance to the cutting effects of scale, dirt, and other kind of foreign matter found inside the pipe. The answer is plug type disc bulb. It is a type of globe bulb that has a wide bearing surface, producing good resistance to the cutting effects of scale, dirt, and other kind of foreign matter found inside the pipe. The answer is plug type disc bulb. 279. It is a type of globe valve that has a pressure tight bearing between disc and the seat recommended for cold water and any temperature services. The answer is conventional disc valve. Yan. It is globe type valve that has a pressure tight bearing between disc and the seat recommended for cold water and any temperature services. The answer is conventional disc valve. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 278 globe type valve that has wide bearing surface. So, yan yun, plug type disc valve. 279, it is globe type valve that has a pressure tight bearing. Conventional disc valve siya. Yung sa wide bearing surface, ito na plug this type disc valve. Ito naman pressure tight bearing conventional disc valve. (280) It is a globe valve type that has a pressure tight bearing. Pressure tight bearing din ito. Between the disc and seat recommended for cold. Teka lang. Bakit iba na naman ito? Parehas yung sagot. Composite disc valve. Kanina. Okay ba sagot? Ito watching. May shout out natin yung nanonood. Napin muna natin yan, no? Part 3. Naguluhan ako, sorry ah. Sa globe valve type valve that is used for various types of service on oil. Okay, mali ako. Okay, ito na po yun. Sa globe valve type, doble type valve that is used for various types of service on oil, gasoline, steam, and hot or cold water. The answer is composition disc valve. Yan yun. It's a globe valve type that is used for various types of service on oil, gasoline, steam, and hot or cold water. Composition disc valve. 281. Sometimes called retention valve. Answer is foot valve. Sometimes called retention valve. Foot valve is the answer. 282. It's a valve that is used on cold water system, heating systems, compressed air lines, and other pipelines with excessive pressure. The answer is safety valve. Safety valve, it is a type of valve that is used on cold water system, heating systems, compressed air lines, and other pipelines with excessive pressure. 283. 183 tayo. In hot water supply system, where the large pipe of the installation is installed at the top of the riser, and diminishing pipe sizes passes through the lower flows. The answer is magingay. Overhead feed system. Right? In hot water supply system, where the large pipe of the installation installed at the top of the riser, and the diminishing pipe sizes passes through the lower floors. The answer is overhead feed system. 284. In a hot water supply system, where the large pipe is installed at the bottom of the riser and the diminishing pipe passes through the upper floors of the building. The answer is up feed system. And in hot water supply system, where the large pipe is installed at the bottom of the riser and the diminishing pipe sizes passes through the upper floors of the building. The answer is up feed system. 285. It is a system where it is recommended for large building where difficulty of providing circulation of hot water is encountered. The use of mechanical device, a centrifugal pump, used to circulate hot water to the plumbing fixtures. Ingay, sorry. Ingay ako sa background. The answer is pump circuit system. It is a system where it is recommended for large building where difficulty of providing circulation of hot water is encountered. The use of mechanical device, example, a centrifugal pump used to circulate hot water to the plumbing fixtures. The answer is pump circuit system. Yan, meron na tayong clue. Circulate hot water and pump. Pump system. Circulation, pump. Yan, di ba? Sabi ko na din yan sa part 2 yata eh. 286. Type of water heating system where water is confined to the system at a low temperature. At low temperature. Answer is medyo mahaba yung sagot ha. Hot water space heating system. Type of water heating system where water is confined within a system at a low temperature. The answer is hot water space heating system. 287 is a type of water heating system where water is not closed in a closed system which operates on much higher temperature. Answer is hot water supply system. Kanina, hot water space heating system. Ito naman, hot water supply system. It's a type of water heating system where water is not closed in a closed system which operates on much higher temperature. The answer is hot water supply system. 288. It's a kind of water closet in shape where it is intended for installation on a limited space. The answer is round type. It's a kind of water closet in shape where it's intended for installation on a limited space. Yan. Pag limited space, round type yung gagamitin na water closet. 288. It's a kind of water closet in shape where it is more comfortable but occupies space. More comfortable but occupies space. And has a large amount of standing water inside the bowl that is more sanitary and easier to maintain. Answer is elongated type. It's kind of water closet in shape. There's more comfortable but occupies space and has a large amount of water standing inside. And large amount of standing water inside the bowl, but that is more sanitary and easier to maintain. Yeah, elongated type. 290. It's the cheapest, the smallest form of water closet designed without water tank. The answer is pale flash type. Ito na tawag nilang debuhos. Pale flash type. It's the cheapest, the smallest form of water closet designed without water tank. Pale flash type. 291. Considers the building density in the locality and the flammability of the structure and its content. Answer is fire code. Considers the building density in the locality and the flammability of the structures and its content. The answer is fire code. 292. A pipe installed in a building not as a part of the water supply or disposal system, but primarily for use as water conveyance in case of fire. The answer is standpipe. Is a pipe installed in buildings not as part of water supply or disposal system, but primarily for use as water conveyance in case of fire. So, ayan yung purpose ng standpipe. Primarily for use as water conveyance in case of fire. 293. The spacing of sprinkler heads depends upon the following condition, except yan. The answer is fire exit availability. Ano sagot? Fire exit D. Ako nilagay lahat kasi except yung tinatanong maliban sa lahat ng yan. The spacing of fire sprinkler heads depends upon the following conditions. So nakadepende siya sa fire rating of the building, types of occupancy, and total area. Except ang tanong. So hindi siya nakadepende dun sa fire exit availability. So, pag kinocompute yung spacing ng sprinkler head, hindi kasama o kundi requirement yung fire exit availability. Hindi siya hindi siya nakadependent, no? Nakadependent lang siya dito. Pag compute ng sprinkler heads, dependent sa rating of the building, types of occupancy, and total area. 294 is defined as receptacle used to catch surface water drained from cemented courts, driveways, and athletics fields. The answer is yard catch basin. So, catch basin lang siya. Dinagdagan lang ng yard kasi malaki. It's defined as receptacle used to catch surface water drained from cemented courts, driveways, and athletic fields. So, receptacle, it's used to catch surface water drain. So, yan. Yard catch basin. 295. Description of the wall thickness of a rigid copper pipes. So, yan. Pag rigid copper pipes, rigid K copper pipes, anong tawag sa kanya? Heavy duty. Rigid copper pipes. Rigid K copper pipes. Heavy duty. Description of the wall thickness of rigid L copper pipes. Kanina K. Answer is medium duty. Ang wall thickness niya medium duty kapag rigid L copper pipes. Kapag rigid K copper pipes naman, ang wall thickness niya, description of wall thickness niya is heavy duty. 297. Description of the wall thickness of a rigid DVW copper pipes. DWV copper pipes. The answer is medium to light. Medium/light duty. Medium or light duty. Kapag rigid, description of the wall thickness of a rigid DWV copper pipes. 298. Excuse me. Commercial standard length of cast iron hub type. The answer is 1.5 meter. Commercial standard length of a cast iron hub type, 1.5 meter. 299. Commercial standard length of a cast iron hubless type. Answer is 3 meters. 3.0 or 3 meters. Commercial standard length of cast iron hubless type, 3.0 meters. Ductile to. Commercial standard length of ductile cast iron. The answer is 6 meters. Ductile, commercial standard length of a ductile cast iron, 6 meters. So, yun. Diyan nagtatapos yung ating review for today. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, mas maaga. Balik tayo sa part 4. Practical problem exercises. Tatapusin natin yung 200 questions pa dun. Then, I'll try matakal yung arithmetic. So, we have less than a month para sa exam for July. Okay. Shout out, John Jones Togadi. Thank you. Thank you very much pag-drop by. Hopefully, bukas ulit. Bukas ulit tayo. Okay, bukas ulit. Yan. For architectural and design needs, just call us in this number 09560162730099 5727140. NDR Architects and Engineers Design and Consultancy Services. And for reviews, topics, tutorials, and software tutorials, please don't forget to like and share, subscribe to this channel. And for more comments, correction, you can chat in the chat section, comment section, or email. Reach us in the following my email, sotek@gmail.com, FB at @sotek, or to this number. Bago tayo mag-goodbye, please visit shop, our tahanan shop in Lazada, Cosiness in every home. Your shopping spree starts here. So, meron tayong mga link dyan kung gusto nyo pong mag-earn in everyday app. Meron tayong mga links sa description box. And have a good day. Hopefully makapasa po kayong lahat. At makatulong tong review natin sa mga nagre-review pa for future master plumber. Thank you very much and have a nice day.